Hello guys, how you doing? Welcome back to this new video. So let's start off with BTC. This actually did not age well because I do remember sharing this in the Telegram. Was resistance, now support. Here we bounced. I referred to these. We actually came back down, retested this level. We actually kind of wicked below it on a daily, and we can say this is now support. We are back above $57,000 in this range. All right, and yeah, as I already said, I'm bullish on BTC, and I think what is happening with ETH and also Dogecoin, it will be the catalyst for alt season. For you that don't know, Dogecoin actually in 2017 pumped a lot. Of course, not like it pumped this here in this cycle, simply because there are more money in the space right now. But anyway, it pumped before the alt season actually kicked in. So Dogecoin pumping like crazy, even though I don't like that, and I think a lot of people will get wrecked that are into Doge. And Ethereum making new highs on top of new highs is making me bullish. Now, having said that, BTC, I think is bullish. We have seen this head and shoulder formation playing out. We actually came back up here, as you can see, above 58,000, almost 59,000. We actually came back down, retested support, and now we are going higher. I do think we will see BTC in the 60k region again very soon. Briefly, let's have a look at the dominance. Dominance is decreasing. It's kind of rising today due to the fact of BTC also rising. But as you can see, we have broken the 50 region we've talked about. And yeah, I do think the dominance will keep decreasing. Ethereum USDT and Ethereum BTC will keep rising. Now, of course, Ethereum BTC, as you can see here, is kind of down today due to the fact of BTC rising, but overall we know where this is going. If you have a look at Ethereum BTC, we broke out of this formation here, and can we go down and retest it? Yeah, we can, but overall, even if we do, I think we will see a great bounce. Now, having said that, I don't think we're gonna go down and retest it, but yeah, this thing could happen. Anyway, for Ethereum, we could, if that happens in Ethereum BTC, we could come down and retest this zone before proceeding higher, but I think we will see Ethereum in this zone pretty soon. So 4,000, 3,800, something like that in this zone pretty soon. Even though we may go down here, but we actually could retest simply the 3k mark, and if we do not fall below it, we could also, retest the 3k going higher. We break the 3k, there is a higher chance of retesting down back to 2.6, 2.7. yeah, sort of. Anyway, I think that's less likely to happen due to the fact that everyone is so bullish about Ethereum, but just putting this out there. Now, POLK markets, I'm stressing you out guys with POLK markets, but let's give you an update to all the people who took the trade. I actually, as I said in the Telegram, I bought the dip here because we have broken out of, finally we have broken out of this falling wedge. We retested the falling wedge. It went up like fucking crazy, like 130%. Then I took the Fib retracement of this movement. We tested on this level, on the 78.6. I actually think we could see potentially POLK markets going down and reach $4.3, 4.10, 4.2, 4.3. That's basically the area I will look to probably also lock some profit in. Because for those of you who don't know this, POLK markets has another token unlock on the 24th of May, I think. So 24th of May, usually when you have a token unlock, the price dumps. So on the 24th of May, I will probably lock some profits. So essentially in this zone, where is the 24? It's actually here. Anyway, so if we do reach $4.3 before the 24, I will probably lock some profits. And if that happens and we do have the token unlock and these thing dumps, I would probably expect a pullback that for me is nothing than an opportunity to buy back in, because I'm so bullish for this project. I'm going fast, guys, sorry, but I have a lot of requests. QNT, you know, it's one of my favorite projects. Right now there is nothing to talk about QNT because it's basically doing nothing, then going sideways. But I think that eventually we will break this big consolidation zone we are in, and once we do break $49, $50, I'm looking for that jump to $70, $80 and eventually $100. But you know, I'm so bullish for QNT. I already shared my target on the Telegram group. If you're not in, link in the description. Now HTR, damn, I haven't did this chart since basically I charted it the first time. Anyway, we can cancel a few things, and yeah, we broke the all-time high we made on March, but actually we got rejected around $1.8, $1.9. We came back down during the dump, and HTR has fallen a lot. So I think this is nothing that, again, for me, my opinion, not financial advice, a buy opportunity. And if we actually, let's see, if we take a fib retracement of this zone, okay, so essentially from these to, let's take it to the all-time high, we are on the golden ratio here. There are actually a few people who sold HTR below $1. Who would do that? I don't know. Weird times, guys. 61.8. I think we will break $2, and once we do, we could reach $2.7. Actually, it will take time, but as you know, a lot of people are working on HTR, and I'm expecting big news with AutoSwap, the cards, and everything they are doing is incredibly bullish. So stick around, because on a daily we just had the bullish crush. We just had the bullish cross. I'll let that in, and so yeah, I'm expecting a big run up for HTR. Now, a few people told me, I think it's Jess also told me, hey man, could you have a look at Fetch AI, the old year Fetch? We have been here since here. I actually took profit here, missed out on this. I missed out on like 150K, but whatever. Damn. Anyway, we go down at 4 hours, you can see better. Mainnet went live here. I told sell some, lock some profits, you know. We got rejected, as I actually shared this also on the live stream. We actually came down and I took the fib retracement of this move. We tested 61, got rejected, went down to the 61. That's why I always say lock some profit, you know. You sold here, you buy back here at the 35. That's like a 50-60% crash. Yeah, 60% crash. So overall, you know guys, that I love the Fetch AI team. I love what they are doing, and I think we will break $1 eventually, because this project is bullish, and what Fetch AI is doing, normally no one is doing it. Okay, they're building something that is not out in any crypto, and I think this project does not have competitors. Yeah, you may have your Singularity Net, but yeah, they have something to do with artificial intelligence, but they are doing something completely different. So it's not what Fetch AI is doing. Now, we retested this zone actually, so we can extend this. We retested this zone. I'm expecting a retest of actually what this was, I think 88 cents. I think we will reach 92 cents, but yeah, I think we will have some difficulties breaking the dollar. Maybe we'll not break the dollar at first because it's a psychological level, but overall, if alt season kicks in, also eventually I think Fetch AI will break the dollar. And on a daily, let's see how the on a 4 hour the momentum is shifting. As you can see, I think we could I'm actually starting to look at the MACD during the videos, because I got told, why don't you look at the MACD? Here I am looking at the MACD. Want me to look at the RSI? Let's go look at the RSI. Yeah, I think Fetch AI, I haven't seen these levels since it was so low here. So I think FET has bottomed at $35 so yeah, why not reversing? I think we could see eventually FET breaking the 70 cents. Once we do break the 70 cents, let's see. Actually, let me do another thing. Let's measure this movement. Okay, as you can see, these are very similar. Okay, to explain a little bit, that's a fib extension measuring the movement upwards, the pullback. I think here we could have bottomed, and these are the levels you should keep attention at. And this is the target at around 1.10 cents. So eventually I think we will reach it. It will take time. You know, I do prefer taking analysis on big time frames. So we have more accurate data and targets. So let's see on the Telegram what else you got. Okay, we'll do another one, otherwise this video will be too long and no one will watch it. So SXP, let's do SXP. Okay, I found it. Now, this was the last time I charted the SXP, okay, that I shared on the Telegram. We actually went up to this level, we got rejected, and we came down here. Now, I think this is the super big fib extension on SXP taken on a daily that I already shared on the Telegram. So we can actually cancel this. So technically speaking, we have done a new all-time high. While doing so, we got rejected basically on the 61.8, the golden ratio of this fib retracement. As you can see here, perfectly wicked above it, the rejection, came back down, and actually we kinda retested this level of the fib. I do think we do break the 0.61. We will go here, eventually here, and eventually I do have a $10 target for SXP. I think what they are doing is incredibly bullish. If you don't know what they are doing, just go to their Twitter profile. They're posting incredible stuff there. Nothing on the other side too important on a daily. Let's see the MACD. Again, no clear divergence. On a weekly, looking bullish. Momentum, we do not have anything on a monthly. On a 4-hour, as I can see here, the momentum is kind of shifting in favor of the bulls. So yeah, I think we could see shortly SXP breaking this all-time high at approximately $5.8. So yeah, I think that was it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you guys in the next one. I do want to make a new live stream. Let me know if you like the idea. I would love to make probably another one on Saturday, this Saturday. Let me know on the Telegram, link down below. See you guys. Peace out.